The Galactic Academy's biology lab fell silent as Professor Velterra discussed infection protocols. Her chitinous appendages gestured toward holographic displays of microscopic pathogens. Bacterial contamination remains the leading cause of death across civilized species, she explained to her diverse class. Even minor wounds require immediate medical stasis and nanite treatment. Kreoth, a young Zenthari student, raised a tentacle. What about humans? Their homeworld documentation mentions thousands of bacterial species. Earth is classified as a Class 9 death world, Velterra confirmed. Humans evolved extreme caution regarding infections. Their medical protocols are among the most. A crash interrupted her lecture. In the adjacent workshop, human exchange student Jake Morrison had sliced his palm on a sheet of metal. Blood dripped steadily onto the floor. The alien students froze in horror, their various sensory organs locked onto the injury. Medical emergency. Velterra activated the alarm. Stasis field required immediately. Jake looked up, confused. What? No, it's fine. Just a cut. He walked calmly to his backpack, leaving a trail of red droplets. The class watched in collective shock as Jake retrieved a small bottle filled with clear liquid. Without hesitation, he poured it directly onto his open wound. The reaction was immediate. Several students fainted. Others began emergency broadcasts to their homeworlds, certain they were witnessing a human death ritual. By the void, whispered Kreoth. He's applying pure chemical solvent to exposed tissue. Jake hissed through his teeth. Yeah, stings like hell. He continued pouring, washing away blood and debris. Just rubbing alcohol. Kills bacteria, prevents infection. Professor Velterra's translator struggled with the concept. You deliberately burn living tissue with chemical agents? Well, yeah. Jake wrapped his hand with gauze from a small kit. Better than getting infected. My dad taught me, clean every wound, no matter how small. Alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, iodine. Whatever works. But the pain. Pain means it's working, Jake shrugged. Means I'm killing the bad stuff before it kills me. The class erupted in questions. How could humans tolerate such agony? What kind of hellish world required citizens to perform chemical burns on themselves routinely? Why wasn't Jake screaming? Velterra pulled up Earth's medical history. Her eyes widened at the data. Class, humans have been doing this for centuries. Before their space age, they used even harsher substances, pure ethanol, fire, acids. We had to, Jake explained, finishing his bandage. Earth doesn't have nanites or stasis fields. We had two choices, suffer a little now, or die from infection later. So we chose pain. Kreoth's tentacles trembled. Your species willingly inflicts suffering upon yourselves, as prevention? Every human child learns this, Jake confirmed. Clean your wounds, endure the burn, survive another day. It's just common sense where we're from. The professor dismissed class early. As students filed out, they whispered among themselves about the terrifying species that had joined the galactic community, a species so hardened by their world that they considered self-inflicted chemical burns common sense. Jake packed his supplies, oblivious to the paradigm shift he'd just caused. His hand throbbed, but he'd be fine. After all, it was just a scratch.